Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear little friends. How are you all today? I hope you're feeling fantastic. Guess what? Today we have a super fun and exciting lesson from Zara Publications' new Howard series for English Nursery. So are you ready to learn something new and amazing? Let's begin.
Mind baffle. Our national identities. For an oral activity. Question 1. What is our national language? Yes, think about the language we speak and love. Answer together. Urdu. That's right. Our national language is Urdu. It brings all of us together from different provinces. Isn't that amazing? Question 2. What is the name of our national fruit? It's yellow, sweet, and juicy. Can you guess? Answer together. Mango. Correct. The mango is our national fruit. We love eating it in summer, don't we? Question 3. What is our national dress? Think about what we wear on special days and Eid. Answer together. Shalwar kameez. Excellent. Our national dress is shalwar kameez. Boys and girls both wear it proudly. Question 4. What is our national game? It's played with a stick and a ball. Can you guess? Answer together. Hockey. Yes, our national game is hockey. It's full of energy and fun to watch. Great job, everyone. You learned about our national language, fruit, dress, and game. These are part of what makes our country special. Keep loving and respecting your homeland. See you next time for another fun activity. Bye-bye.